Part 2. So, kanina sa Unigamay ang podcast. Sumayan! So, diniya ko ibutang sa taas guys. So, salamin. Ay, dili di ego guys. Di ego. So, butang sa ako din ha. Sige, horas ko. There's a little block for me study. It's done. And let's put it there. So my charger. So my slime. You already know that. I have my stairs ready there. So I got my sleeping. So I got my. So this is ain't a real from paper. So, oh wait, I have something more. Let's just wait, okay? So guys, ako nalimot na. Skip na ako. So ako, tablet. So charger, so tablet. So, I'm gonna stay here overnight. So scary. Lubat ko guys, lubat hindi. Ay. Part 3 coming. Okay, part 3 coming okay. Is there an iPad charging? Oh yeah, it's charging. Oh, I definitely need more bed sheet. So let's get for more bed sheet. Let's go. Part 3 incoming. Part 3 incoming, okay.